Do you ever ask yourself why your knee pain doesn't completely go away? Or how come it continues to get aggravated when you go back to your sport or move around? My name is Tait Yoder. I'm a soft tissue specialist, and I want to introduce you to the techniques I use working with Olympic and professional level athletes to get them injury-free and prevent injuries from happening. So the work I do is based on the concept of high repetition movements without pain and challenging your bones to have new and different conversations with the joints. So we destabilize a lot of the movements of the lunge, squat, push, pull, press, twist, and work on getting the joints to open up and wake up. And then we also utilize wearable recovery. So the soft tissue active release system of the Star Wrap is integrated into these sessions to really bring as much blood flow into your tissue as possible. And we know by research that that is what causes tissues to transform. It's the quantity and duration of time under tension. So here's what you're going to get. You're going to get 3 free things. You're going to get a 60-minute training session with me where I teach you how to move better. You're going to get a 15-minute workout on the ARX, a computerized, motorized strength training supercomputer, and you're going to get a $25 off a mind-expanding float in our float tanks at Lumen. So call the number below and get ready to transform.